lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this encapsulated fruit FIMO using dual form method set. So I was asked by Louise Edwards if we could do this method and video, and of course I'm more than happy to oblige. So of course we do a FIMO fruit set. I also use some glitters. I will link everything down below. Most of the stuff actually come off of AliExpress. So I do the dual form, but I do try out something else. Now, I absolutely hate, the only thing I hate about dual forms is the gathering polygel behind your nail, behind the dual form, like onto your nail and your fingertip. That really winds me up. So I tried out this different idea. Okay, bear with me. I stuck some false tips onto my nails and then applied the dual form onto the tip. I don't know if anyone's actually done this before. Maybe they have and I haven't seen. If anyone has seen this, by all means link it down below, because I just thought it was a good idea. So basically I just wanted to see if I could get around like not having polygel gathered under my nail and on the tip of my finger, because it's a pain to, and like when you flip your hand back over, it like moves the dual form as you're trying to smooth it out, and it's just a pain, and I just thought try it. So I have my peel off base coat on. I didn't prep my nails, but I will link a video in the card like I always do. I probably should do a video soon of me prepping my nails because I haven't done one in so long. So I just size up the dual forms here, making sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall. And then I use these tips here. They are stiletto. I got these off of Amazon. They are linked down below. I always link my like usual stuff down below. So basically I sized these up and glued them on. Then I done the dual form like onto these nails, and it works. It's great. So you don't have to worry about cleaning up underneath, just around the cuticles. It's so simple and so easy, guys, and this set was really fun to do, by the way. I had fun doing this one, and I'm going to do another one, but I think I'll do like flower FIMO. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down below in the comments. So basically I size up the tips then as well, like I said, and then once I've done that I start the application, obviously gluing on the tips, applying some base coat after I filed the shine out of the tips themselves, curing for 60 seconds, and then I go in with the dual forms. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this little bit, and then I'll be back when we start doing the application. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And I'm back, guys. Hello. So I poured out loads of variety of different FIMO pieces onto my resin palette, and I pulled out the glitters, and I cut up a few of those FIMOs just to fit them better and make it look more realistic, because like half oranges and stuff like that really does make more sense. So basically I applied a base coat into the jewel form first, and I stuck the FIMO pieces on, and then I sprinkled in some glitter and patted it all into place so it stuck into the base coat. I then actually cured this in the nail lamp for 10 seconds so that it would hold securely, and moved on to the next nail. I've done exactly the same process. Nothing changes here, it's exactly the same. That red is meant to be a strawberry brick, kind of looks like a tomato. So I just alternate between each colour, and yeah, this was really easy to do. So now once I've cured the glitter in, I then go in with some clear polygel and I encapsulate, because obviously with jewel forms you work backwards. Instead of like with acrylic, when you're building on a form, you would like do this bit last, but this is now first. I hope that makes sense. So basically I pat it all into place, and then I fit it onto my finger, and I cure then for 30 seconds. I do a final cure at the end of 60 seconds, but look how easy that was, guys. I didn't have to clean up the backs of my nail, just the around the cuticles. How simple is that? So easy, and so lifesaver. So you can put some tips on if you like, if you're like me and you get annoyed when the polygel gathers at the back. At least you know now that you can just stick on some tips and it works exactly the same, and it's so easy to do. So anyways, I'm going to let you watch this bit, and I will be back. Ooh, I turned into Darth Vader for a second then. Okay, so I'll be back in a bit when we top coat and stuff and my final thoughts. So I do file like normal as well, taking away that sticky tacky layer, but there wasn't much sticky tacky layer because the nail was completely encapsulated, so that uncured gel that rises to like the surface couldn't do that. I hope that makes sense. So it wasn't that sticky, but I still cleaned with alcohol because you should always do that anyway. But anyways, I'm going to leave it here and I will be back in a sec. I'm back, guys. Sorry, I was just jumping back in. So basically, going through the actual edit, I noticed that there's not much more to actually say. You just pop the jewel forms off once they have cooled down, of course, and file and buff like you normally would, and then you top coat. So I didn't think that there was really need to just come back at top coating because, yeah. So I'm actually going to leave it here, but I wanted to say goodbye because I'm polite. Anyway, guys, this set was really easy. Thank you so much, Louise, for the suggestion and for the actual video idea. I really do appreciate it, and it was really fun to do, so thank you so much for suggesting this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that I did it justice. But anyway, guys, I am going to leave it here because there's nothing else really to say apart from this was really fun, and I hope you enjoyed. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. You do not have to subscribe by all means, that is completely up to you, but it does really help me and supports me, and you know, why wouldn't you? Because come on. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah, guys, on a serious note, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. You guys are absolutely brilliant, and you're just amazing, and thank you for supporting me. You really are great. But I am going to leave it here, like I said. I hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to keep on staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye.